As we all know, the software revolution happened right from the traditional waterfall model, where the entire requirements were baked into one monolithic implementation, and then it used to even take years for a product to come out. But as the generations evolved, and then we know that it is how critical it is for many of these features and functionalities to be developed and then released to the market ASAP. This is where Agile came in, and we have seen lots of efficiencies that came because of this new Agile methodology. Here at Impulses, our test teams also closely work with the Agile methodology. Almost all of our test programs which we execute are based out of Agile. So basically, our team works in a sprint-based model to make sure that all these stories are implemented, tested, and then the tested code is released to the build. And eventually, what we have also seen is DevOps coming in, because Agile being pieces of code getting integrated continuously into the CI/CD pipeline, it makes it more imperative for that to be tested in an automated way. So our team at Impulses also implements lots of Jenkins scripts, which actually go and then does the smoke testing, sanity testing, and then even regression testing as we progress. So Agile and DevOps, major implementation which we have done in our testing practices.